Towel blotting is important. Towel blotting before neutralization is twice as important. After you've removed the solution, you are ready to towel blot and remove all of the excess water. You can start with a terry cloth towel and you can blot each rod. Once you think you're done, you are ready to test it. An easy way to test for excess water on the rods is to place a paper towel over the rods, hold it down. If it transfers and you can see your rods like an X-ray, you're not done yet. You can fold your towel, place it over, and squeeze every rod, making sure you remove all of the excess water. The most common reason for reduce is improper towel blotting. But now you have the answer. We are good to go. The hair needs to have enough room to absorb the neutralizer to set into their new formation.